gbogbo ẹ̀yin wa ẹ máa wo Bisi Ologe Show pẹ̀lú Bisi Edunjobi.
I say all the things why they tell una normal. If una elite tell una those things, both Yoruba elite, Hausa, Igbo, Fulani, BBOF, any of these una big men una they always worship. When they buy, use una blood, buy motor for their children. Una say go online as the bastard children that you are. And I go online, begin they swear for our own parents. Hey, where my bad day? Where this one? They do this one. Where my bad day? Where this? You know. So I'm not surprised if they tell you now the truth. Then you will suddenly maybe you will lose all this respect. You will look, they say, all these men who they be now, so now be people caretaker. And I know be even oga, maybe now I go open, but they don't fit tell you now. You know, they don't fit tell you now that one. They don't fit tell you now that one. Now understand? So now me must tell you now. So all this na lie when they lie. She won't do this one. Especially all this na yes, see me, I don't want, I'm ghetto fabulous, bro. My papa, you see fella, my papa, he lived in his father's house till he was about 40. Now born the mama house. That house, that fella house, where they shout, they born fella house, they born fella house, not be fella house. Now fella mama get that house. Fella don't build the first house. Our first and only house. Till about 1980, they finished our house for Gbemisola about 1987. So fella must have been 50 years old. I never knew my father as a rich man. I dey tell everybody, say, my father don't get money. Now Sonny Ade they get money. Them Ebenezer Obey, Shino Peters, you know. Now those guys get money. Fella never had money. My papa with me, I know. He never had money. We were ghetto fab. Ghetto fab, and I'm used to it. I love that life. My part, once I can buy the things I want, do the things I like, go where I like, I don't need much. I dey tell you now. So that's why I cannot be controlled. That people with their long throat, you want everything, you need everything. I'm ghetto fab, bro. Understand that? Ghetto fab. All day, all day, all night, 24/7, 365. Ghetto fab. We know they hide down. You understand? We know they hide down, we don't shame. But I'm not living in my dad's house. I wish. You know, I wish. So now, to take on back to this whole history lesson of Lagos. Africa, the old Africa is no more. Lagos is a very famous place all over the world. Anywhere you go for this world, people know the city of Lagos. Nobody outside of us, they call this place Eko. I repeat, nobody outside of us, we, they call this place Eko. The name of this place is Lagos. From here to Timbuktu, to Sydney, to Bangladesh, back to Alaska, to Peru, Brazil, Chile, South Africa. Brothers and sisters, Lagos, neither they call them. Nobody they call them Eko. And I will tell you why. Because Europeans have renamed the world. They have recreated the world in their image. The world has been recreated in the image of Europeans. So you must understand that fact. Stop living in the past that no longer exists. That's some nostalgia. Yeah, that's nostalgia. It is not reality. It is not reality, bro. And all they did, when you say, yeah, say make the country come back now, it's not their own. They never gave it back. What do they need to take it back? It's still their own. They own majority of the money, the businesses. The top oil companies in your country, are they Nigerian? The top telecommunications company in your country, are they Nigerian? The top food industries in your country, are they Nigerian? Name it, they only put, there's a law that all these people, they must get local person as chairman. A local must be the chairman. A Nigerian must be the chairman. Meaning say the elite negotiate their own share for their family. They use your blood, our fight for independence, to negotiate share for themselves inside distilling. Say as long as one of us be chairman, so we can appoint our family, we can chop inside. You think it's a Nigerian company? The way you go to school, they teach you Oyibo mentality, European mentality inside school, but because the school is owned by Nigeria, is in Nigeria, you say it's a Nigerian school. There's nothing Nigerian or African about our schools. They are all European. How about the banks? Is it because your bank is owned by a Nigerian, you think your bank is Nigerian? It's not a Nigerian bank. That institution is European. The way they don't give you loan as a black man for here, now the way they don't give any black man loan for the same bank anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter who owns the bank. It is the institution, the institutionalization of the financing. But you know they see that one because they don't put veil for now. I mean, they don't put all these their black puppets to buy their drink. They go carry one black celebrity. Can't tell you say now he own the drink. He doesn't own shit. Where you want to see distillery? Where you want to see money build distillery? You want to make it wreck? Where you want kill them? It's branding. They put their face. They give them a share. The owners are still white Europeans in the background. The only way you can know is go and look at the board of directors of the company, the shareholders. When Jay-Z was going to, when they were going to use Jay-Z to gentrify the whole of Brooklyn in America, to build stadium for the Brooklyn Nets. That's what they lie to black people saying that Jay-Z get the basketball team. Or Jay-Z basketball. When they pursue all the black people finish, build them, they realize that Jay-Z only owned 0.06% of the Brooklyn Nets, which he later sold for $1.6 million. That means he sold out his people for $1.6 million. We are happy Jay-Z. He moved out all the thousands of black people out of their neighborhood. Look at the old Brooklyn now. I don't know if you go to anybody that go America here. Go to Brooklyn, Williamsburg, to Clinton Hill, white. Gentrification has happened. Like what is happening in my baby, small. Some white is moving in with the before you know now, by the time I'm 45, everywhere will be
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.